Today we will discuss on the ultimate digital marketing guide, strategies, tactics, and tips. First, let's start with what is digital marketing. Digital marketing is the process of promoting products or services using various digital channels such as search engines, social media platforms, emails, mobile applications, and website. It involves strategies to reach and engage potential customers and build brand awareness through various digital marketing tactics, including search engine optimization, social media marketing, content marketing, email marketing, and pay-per-click (PPC) advertising. Digital marketing is popular due to the high penetration of digital devices and platforms, making it easier for businesses to reach and engage their target audience online.